Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade team alignment with Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your team's current alignment challenges. Identify key areas where communication breaks down. Determine the specific goals you want to achieve with Slack. Introduce Slack to your team as a collaborative communication tool. Provide a brief overview of Slack's features and benefits. Create a centralized workspace for your team in Slack. Set up channels for different projects or topics to keep discussions organized. Encourage team members to use direct messages for private conversations. Establish guidelines for channel usage and posting etiquette. Incorporate integrations with tools your team already uses, like Google Drive or Trello. Schedule regular check-ins to evaluate team alignment and communication effectiveness. Encourage team members to share feedback on Slack's usage and challenges. Host training sessions to ensure everyone is comfortable using Slack. Promote a culture of open communication and regular updates. Utilize Slack's reactions and polls to encourage engagement during discussions. Consider using Slack bots and reminders for important deadlines and tasks. Monitor channel activity to ensure everyone is participating and engaged. Celebrate team achievements within Slack to foster a sense of community. Regularly review and adjust your Slack channels based on team feedback. Encourage the team to explore and utilize Slack's advanced features. Implement a system for tracking progress on team objectives using Slack. By following these steps, you can enhance team alignment and communication through Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.